Today we're cooking some spinach pie. This is super easy to make, and I give you some substitutes for the cheese so you can make it in a lighter version. This is my way to make Spanakopita, a Greek spinach pie that, as we say in Mexico, no tiene madre. It's extremely delicious. So let's start. I have over here 8 cups of spinach. Just put a 1/4 cup of water in your pot. Place over medium-low heat and cover. For the next step, you can use ricotta cheese. Actually, the original recipe uses ricotta cheese. I didn't have, so I used cream cheese, and it actually turned out delicious. So you will need 1 package of cream cheese, 1 cup of feta cheese, 1 cup of chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons of dill, 1/2 cup of olive oil, and Phyllo dough. When the spinach is cooked, add the cream cheese to help melt the cheese and also to help to cool down the spinach. Whisk 5 eggs, mix all the ingredients with the spinach and the egg. By this I mean the dill, the onion, garlic, everything we have, as well as 1/4 cup of olive oil. The other 1/4 we're gonna save it. Okay, next step, I have over here my Phyllo dough. Place a sheet of Phyllo dough over your baking container and then spread on top some olive oil or melted butter. That's what gives it the crunchy sensation when you bake it. So you will need to add this. Now add another Phyllo dough sheet, then spread some olive oil again, and you will need to repeat this. I added about 6 sheets for my baking container. And now on the sides, you're gonna need to make the same. Just grab the Phyllo sheets. What I did is I kind of smash them a little bit and put them on the sides, and then I just cover with a little olive oil. And next step, fill with the spinach mixture. Then we're gonna cover with more Phyllo sheets. I'm using about 6 on top, and I spreaded some olive oil. Set the oven at 360 Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes. And this is ready, super delicious and easy to prepare. Remember, you can follow me on Instagram as Las Recetas de Laura, where I have everyday ideas to cook. And also for children, that I have 2 small kids, and I also get a complicated life working full-time and with kids at home and lock at home, and well, the story that you already know. So I see you next Thursday. Every Thursday I have recipes in English. Bye-bye.